The computer is doing strange things. This is doing all this on its own again. Um, as you can see, I'm not touching it. It's before it was opening up different tabs in Google Chrome by itself. I don't know what's going on here. There's a program on here. I'm just wondering if y'all installed it. It's called Killer Networking, and I'm just wondering if what it's all about. Didn't see that before. But this is all doing it's all doing things on its own. I'm not touching it at all, as you can see. It's going, the screen goes from color to no color, and I'm going to try to open up Chrome just to show you see how it's loading. It's loading all its own stuff. It's going to all these different, adding its own tabs. Searching stuff. I'm not adding any of this. I'm not doing any of this. I don't know what's going on with it. But there was some kind of software on here that it did not see before, and I did not add it. It's called, let me go down to it here, Killer Networking. And it's not even responding now to me. But anyway, that was, I don't know, now it's going to Xbox. I can't even log out here. I'm see, I'm not doing any of this right now. The only thing I've loaded on here was Google Chrome. Like I said, it's doing its own thing. This is really frustrating.